You may want to connect to specific devices to use the AirPlay feature, but for some reason it isn't working. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AirPlay not working on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. So usually this AirPlay feature is found on our control center on your iPhone, so you can just wipe down from the top right part of your phone and you should see this interface and just click on this one right here or this little icon. And that will open up and you can then click this icon once again and it will show you a list of devices you can play that media to. So the first thing I would suggest to do is to check if the device you want to connect with your phone to is turned on and compatible with connecting to your phone through the AirPlay feature. So to check, you can just go through the manual guides of the device or also search through the internet and check the information about that. After that, if it is compatible and the AirPlay feature is not working, the issue might be that some websites have copyright issues and might not allow to stream that video through another device. So that might be the issue on AirPlay not working on your iPhone. And the last thing that you can do, or another thing you can do, is to go to your settings. Then you can go to General right here and click on Software Update right below the About option. And since this AirPlay feature is a built-in feature on your iPhone, updating to the latest software version might fix that on the issue that it is not working on your phone. So just click on download and install if you still haven't got the latest update yet. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.